It became in minutes. Now it is in seconds. So Harvard has revealed this research that the attention span of normal human is just 5 seconds. 5 seconds. और आप खुद भी देखते हो, आप जब रील्स देखते हो तो 2 सेकंड में तो आप क्या करते हो, 2 सेकंड समझ आया तो ठीक है, नहीं तो आप आगे बढ़ा देते हो। तो आप देखिए, एडीएचडी, अटेंशन डेफिसिट हाइपर डिसऑर्डर, ये बढ़ रहा है कम हो रहा है? ये बढ़ रहा है। और अगर आपको लाइफ में कुछ आगे बढ़ना है, इफ यू वांट टू गिव कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स, वेदर इट इज ऑफ आईएएस, आईपीएस, सीएस, सीएफए, व्हाटएवर, सो योर फोकस शुड बी मोर और लेस, फोकस ज्यादा होना चाहिए। तो फोकस ज्यादा कब होगा? जब आप थोड़ा डिजिटल को कम करोगे। जब करेंगे डिजिटल को कम, तभी तो आप में बढ़ेगा अंदर का दम, और आप बोलोगे हम नहीं है किसी से कम। तभी तो आप फिजिकल प्रॉब्लम्स को तुरंत कर पाओगे ओवर कम। और उसीलिए हम कहते हैं कि आपको फिजिकल जो लाइफ है उसको करना चाहिए हमेशा वेल कम, इंस्टेड ऑफ डिजिटल लाइफ, वर्चुअल लाइफ। तो बहुत जरूरी है कि जो फोकस, क्योंकि फोकस है तो सक्सेस चौकस है, नहीं है फोकस तो फिर लाइफ इज जस्ट बोगस। आप हो जाओगे टस से बस, फिर बोलोगे बस मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों होता है, वाई मी, एंड व्हाट नेक्स्ट, अब हो गया बस। तो इसीलिए जरूरी है लाइफ में फोकस, क्योंकि हम ज्यादातर पास्ट में रहते हैं और फ्यूचर में रहते हैं। पास्ट इज हिस्ट्री, फ्यूचर इज मिस्ट्री, प्रेजेंट इज ग्रेट केमिस्ट्री। तो प्रेजेंट में आप कब रहोगे? जब आप फिजिकल वर्ल्ड में प्रेजेंट में रहोगे तब रहोगे, या यू विल बी इन डिजिटल वर्ल्ड, देन यू विल बी एबल टू रिमेन इन प्रेजेंट। जब आप फिजिकल वर्ल्ड में रहोगे देन यू विल बी मच मोर इन प्रेजेंट। तो मैं समझता हूँ चीजें तो बहुत है बताने के लिए, क्योंकि डिजिटल वर्ल्ड बहुत कुछ बताता है। जो एक, हम देखें आजकल बच्चे एक चीज खेलते हैं मोबाइल में, क्या खेलते हैं, क्या खेलते हैं? गेम्स खेलते हैं, गेम्स। तो इंटेलेक्चुअल गेम्स खेलते हैं ना, चेस, कैरम, ये सब खेलते हैं ना। कोई बोलना चाहता है लेकिन स्पीक अलाउड ऑल्सो। हाँ आप ब्लैक वाले, हाँ, यू वांट टू से समथिंग, आई सेड नो नो। तो गेम्स बहुत सारी होती है, साइलेंट भी होती है, वायलेंट भी होती है, पर ज्यादातर जो है वो कौन सी गेम्स खेलते हैं, साइलेंट और वायलेंट? वायलेंट। उसीलिए कैरेक्टर बेचारा हो जाता है साइलेंट। पर अगर मोबाइल को कर दिया साइलेंट, देन यू विल बी वाइब्रेंट, अदरवाइज दोज एल्गोरिदम्स विल बी वाइब्रेंट। तो इसलिए बहुत जरूरी है, अगर लाइफ टाइम खेलते रहेंगे वायलेंस वाली गेम, तो फिर कैसे अचीव करोगे लाइफ में हायर एम? फिर गेम खेलोगे तो आसपास वाले सब लोग फ्यूचर में करेंगे खाली शेर शेर, दे विल जस्ट ब्लेम। उसीलिए यू शुड हैव हायर एम एंड लिमिट योर गेम। तो गेम शुड बी लिमिटेड। गेम कैसे कम की जा सकती है वो एक कोशिश हो सकती है। तो बहुत जरूरी है कि आपके जीवन में आपके जीवन में डिजिटल यूसेज कम हो। तो एक छोटी सी बात, अब बात तो प्रॉब्लम तो बहुत सारी हो सकती है, बट व्हाट इज द सॉल्यूशन बिहाइंड इट? सॉल्यूशन क्या है? तो सॉल्यूशन ये है एनएसडी। सो व्हाट डज एनएसडी स्टैंड्स फॉर? कैन एनीबॉडी टेल? महेंद्र सिंह धोनी? कि महेंद्र सिंह धोनी का तो युग गया अभी। सो व्हाट इज एनएसडी? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एम फॉर मील टाइम, क्योंकि फैमिली टाइम जो होता है आजकल देखो, मी टाइम बढ़ रहा है कम हो रहा है? बढ़ रहा है कम हो रहा है? क्या बात है, लोगों ने खाना नहीं खाया क्या आप लोगों ने? बढ़ रहा है कम हो रहा है? कम हो रहा है। वी टाइम, वी मीन्स फैमिली टाइम, फ्रेंड्स टाइम, कम हो रहा है। सो मीन्स सोशल टाइम, क्या हो रहा है? कम हो रहा है। एक ही टाइम खाली बढ़ रहा है, और वो कौन सा टाइम है? मोर टाइम, मोर फॉर मोबाइल। So mobile time is just increasing instead of me time and we time. तो उसी लिए एम फॉर मील, फैमिली टाइम जो सबसे मेन टाइम होता है वो सबसे ज्यादा किस समय पे हम बात करते हैं, वो है मील के समय पे। जब करते हैं फैमिली वालों के साथ मिल, तभी तो अच्छे से हो पाते हैं हम उनके साथ डील, तभी तो थोड़ा होता है अच्छे से अंदर से चिल। अगर फैमिली वालों के साथ नहीं करोगे मील के समय पे डील, तो फिर आप फालतू का मोबाइल में कर रहे हो अपने टाइम को किल, और विच विल जिससे आपके लाइफ में रिलेशनशिप और सिंपैथी एम्पैथी हो जाएगी नील। तो इसलिए चाहिए ये कि मील के साथ समय पर फैमिली वालों के साथ करना चाहिए अच्छे से डील। चिल तो ठीक है, पहले डील करो, फिर चिल तो ऑटोमेटिक रहोगे। तो फैमिली फ्रेंड्स उनके साथ रहना बहुत जरूरी है। तो फर्स्ट है मील टाइम, नो स्क्रीन टाइम एट मील टाइम। तो एम फॉर, आवाज नहीं आ रहा है, एम फॉर मील। फिर सेकंड इज एस, एस फॉर स्लीप टाइम, जो रात को 12 से सुबह 7 बजे तक का समय है, वो है एस फॉर स्लीप टाइम। एंड लास्ट इज डी फॉर ड्राइविंग टाइम। ड्राइविंग, because out of 10 accidents 7 accidents are because of using digital gadgets during driving। तो इसलिए ड्राइविंग के समय पर भी हमको कोशिश करना है नो स्क्रीन टाइम। तो एन एस डी, देखो हमारे कोई एक व्यक्ति है जो प्रैक्टिकल करके दिखा रहे हैं कि व्हाट टाइप ऑफ इम्पैक्ट इज कॉजिंग डिजिटल इज कॉज्ड बाय दिस डिजिटल गैजेट्स। वो पिंक वाला है जो ड्रेस, वो देखो लगे हुए हैं एकदम मोबाइल में लगे हुए हैं। सो शी इज गिविंग मी प्रैक्टिकल एग्जांपल दैट व्हेनेवर लेक्चर आल्सो गोज, टीचर बोल रहे हैं और आप लगे हुए हो अपनी अलग दुनिया में बह रहे हो। तो कहते हैं ना मल्टीवर्स, तो अपने इधर मल्टीवर्स बहुत सारे चलते हैं। आप देखो ना इधर मतलब कोई सर बोल रहे हैं, उधर कुछ चैट चल रहे हैं आपके, कोई और कुछ और चल रहा है, कुछ कॉलिंग चल रही है, बात चल रही है। तो कितने सारे मल्टीवर्स चल रहे हैं। तो मैं समझता हूँ कि इस चीज को ध्यान रखना है कि आप जब किसी एक जगह पर फोकस करते हो तो यू शुड फोकस ऑन दैट ओनली, तभी आपकी लाइफ में आप आगे बढ़ पाओगे, कुछ इतिहास गढ़ पाओगे। नहीं तो बहुत सारे कुएं खोद दोगे तो यू विल जस्ट बी डिस्ट्रैक्टेड एंड यू विल एंड अप टू नो वेयर। तो इफ यू वांट टू बी समबडी, तो आपको एक स्पेशल अटेंशन स्पैन लाना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज यू विल बी नो बडी। तो समबड़ी बनना है या नो बड़ी बनना है वो आप लोग देखो। तो यही बात है कि बातें बहुत कुछ हो सकती है। तो हमने इसका जो एक बताया कि एक तो डिजिटल फास्टिंग और एक एमएसडी प्लेज। तो एक बार थोड़ा सा रिकॉल करेंगे। एम स्टैंड्स फॉर एम स्टैंड्स फॉर एस स्टैंड्स फॉर डी स्टैंड्स फॉर ड्राइविंग। तो एम एस और डी, तो इस चीज को हमको फॉलो करना है और एक साथ सब लोग करेंगे। डिस्कनेक्ट फ्रॉम द वर्चुअल वर्ल्ड डिजिटल वर्ल्ड एंड रिकनेक्ट टू द physical world। So you need to do this gesture with me, disconnect to reconnect। Okay, please tell, just have a gesture like this। अब अपने हैंड्स ऐसे रखिए, सब साथ में बोलेंगे डिस्कनेक्ट टू रिकनेक्ट, डिस्कनेक्ट टू रिकनेक्ट, डिस्कनेक्ट टू रिकनेक्ट, डिस्कनेक्ट टू रिकनेक्ट। बहुत अच्छा। तो मैं मानता हूं कि ये जो चीज है आप जरूर फॉलो करोगे। और ये दिया हुआ है नहीं ना। तो अब हम हमारे बाजू में आप सो हम ये जो एमएसडी प्लेज, वी विल बी टेकिंग दिस एमएसडी प्लेज। सो यू विल बी रिपीटिंग सम वर्ड्स विद मी। आई प्लेज, I pledge
I pledge
to take this MSD challenge
to take this MSD challenge
for 1 year.
for 1 year.
So I will try my level best
I will try my level best
to implement
to implement
and accept this challenge.
and accept this challenge.
Om.
Will you? मनुष्य ने कुछ अच्छी चीजें बताई आपको MSD आपको अच्छे से याद हो गया होगा. M stands for S stands for D for MSD. Please follow with me. MSD. 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 पीछे वाले भी सभी एक MSD. This is only to recall. कम से कम 3 तो कम से कम जो हम ले सकते हैं प्लेस उतना हम लेने का प्रयास करें. इसलिए एक आपका ये छोटे संकल्प ले सकते हैं हम बच्चे कि कम से कम ये 3 पॉइंट को हम छोटे छोटे रूप में फॉलो करें. स्कूल कॉलेजेस में क्या होता है सालों भर जाता है. We are at the end of first session that was on digital jobs now. We are
तो अनेकों के योग से अनेकों के मिलने से सफलता अधिक मिलने की संभावना बढ़ सकती है. क्या गुरुदेव का मिशन है, कुछ मिशन है. हम पूरा समाज अपने आप को योगवत बनाएगा तो जो कुछ प्रगति की दृष्टि हमें मिलेगी उसे निश्चित रूप से हम आगे बढ़ा सकेंगे. है वो नकली नशा कि जिससे तन का निकले दम. Experience the real high. I don't know. है वो नकली नशा कि जिससे तन का निकले दम. Experience the real high. I don't know. Let's elevate. Let's elevate. एजुकेशन और जॉब के सपने लेकर तू है आया. खुशियों पर न पड़ने देना रक्षा का दासाया. भीतर बरस रही है खुशियाँ उसको क्यों ना देखा. ड्रग्स लेकर के नहीं बिताना तू जीवन की रेखा. नशा करेगा तो जीवन में होगा केवल. Experience the real high. I don't know. Let's elevate. Let's elevate. एलिवेट ने युवाओं को ड्रग्स से दूर रहने की मोटिवेशन देकर उनके जीवन को पावर ऑफ लाइफ से भरा है. अब यही सोच पूरे भारत और विश्व के युवाओं को करेगी एलिवेट.
thank you all. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. This is a testimony of what Anubhav Trishwati is doing. We have been organizing such events in Mumbai at KJR Somaiya College, NMIMS. We have collaboration with Mumbai Police, Maharashtra Police, and all. We have conducted seminars at such events at Ferguson College, Pune, and in SNDP, Surat. So many of them. Yesterday we had an event at DPS Nimania School, Indore. Today we are running at our prestigious school. Some 3-4 days back we had an event at Kothari College, and tomorrow will be at Emerald High School, Indore. So you are fortunate. This institute is fortunate, and we are thankful to the college to have given us permission for such event. And let me tell you, this particular Elevate event has been organized by Munishri himself. And so many trainers have got training from him. So let us all enjoy. Thank you. And I have a request also, when session is going, let it be so interactive that please give responses to Munishi, whether you are liking it or not, or how to activate. Yeah, but we will also have question answer session also, where you can ask your queries also. So let us be interactive also. Thank you so much.
प्रसन्नात्मा भीक्षु नयनमवतारं नयतु मे. I pay my great reverence to shining sun in the spiritual sky, His Holiness Anuvrat Anushasta Acharya Mahashamanji, all the august audience present here, which is engaging, enlightening, and eager to elevate themselves. With a warm good noon today. Today, we are going to enlighten ourselves by the light which is within us. The question comes to you all the smart kids over here, all the bright teenagers over here. I have one good question for you. How many of you want to become happy? Just raise your hands. Whom of you want to become happy? Okay. The next question, number two, is how many of you are happy? Raise their hands. These two questions sound similar, but they have a nuance. The first one asks that you want happiness, which means you are not happy. And the second question it is who are happy means happiness in the present. See, important is happiness is not something about becoming happy. It is about being happy. So happiness is always in the being. It's always in the present. So importantly, the teenagers over here who are engrossed in good discussions. Yes, what's a good name? What's a good name? So you are happy or you want to become happy? At times you are not. Wonderful. How many of you want to stay ever happy? Happy forever. How many of you? Wonderful. Yes, what's a good name? What you will say? You want to say something? You were discussing. Right. So it's an interesting point of discussion. So let's continue with this. So now we take to the next level. There are conditional happiness and the second is unconditional happiness. So what do you want? Is conditional happiness or unconditional happiness? Most of us have a conditional happiness when we are offered something good, when we get a prize, when we get a model, when we get a booster, we get happy. When we get a party, when we get a program, when we get an appreciation, when we get prestige, we get happy. But important is that if we can stay happy even in the tough times, stay calm in turbulent times, stay cool in tough times, that is a man, that is a person who is elevated actually. So important is seeking the happiness, seeking the source of happiness from within. I would love to share a wonderful story with you, which can be followed by a question. So, how many of you want to share a few words of wisdom? Kind attention to the backbenchers. You are in a good range from here, and you are discussing good amount of things. I hope, but you are speaking so slowly that I am unable to hear you. So, if you want to discuss something, you can come on the dais and share with everyone. Because importantly, if you are going to share the wisdom just with your partner, with your near one, dear one, it will be limited. Knowledge expands with sharing. So any one of you need not discuss just with your mate, but can come in front and share with everyone. Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no? With full of energy. Yes or no? So importantly, to all the backbenchers here, I want to see your eyes. So if you are seeing below to your phones or to different things, we may miss to understand you. So important, the communication is not just a verbal communication, it has to be eye to eye communication, eye to my communication. So importantly, we'll take to the next level, which will be followed with a question. Hello, what's your good name? In pink, what's your good name? You are the leader in that group. You can see around you, whoever is there, they stay silent. You can take care. Is it okay? Perfect. Wonderful. Now, importantly, once upon a time, there was a crow who found himself very, very low. And he felt that I should throw myself. It's not a good life that I live. I'm black. My voice disturbs others. No one respects me. I'm not the adorable one. I'm not loved. I'm not cheered. My life is just a mess. I want a change. And astonishingly, he meets a meditation practitioner, a monk, who was engrossed in deep meditation, who had some supernatural powers of blessing and giving a boon. The crow, just by seeing him, recalled the human language of his past life, and now the crow starts communicating with that monk and says that I want a change. Kindly bless me. Give a boon to change me. The monk asked, what you want to become? He told, I want to become a doe in the river, in the pond, which is white and bright, and the future is very, very delightful. I want to become such. I'm black, it's not good. I want a change. That monk told that, okay, you can just have an interview with them. Based on your review, I will bless, but I will bless only once. So change will come for only for once. Okay, he went to the door, had a few questions. Oh, what's your life? I want to become like you. Your life is so beautiful, so wonderful. What did the doe reply? Doe told, why? Why are you asking me such? Oh, I have met a monk and I'm taking a blessing and I want to change. And I want to change myself to your format. Oh, is there an option of change? I also want to opt for a change. I also want to change. Why? You're light, you're white, you're bright. Why? Oh, nothing is alright. Only the skin is white, but nothing is alright. So much of plastic in the ponds, in the rivers. My life is a total waste now. I don't get the food. I don't get proper supplies. And I'm tied up in this life. I also want a change. So they both decided, okay, we will opt for a change together. What change will be good? He told the parrot is wonderful. He's green and evergreen. We also want like it. He gets good food, good encouragements, good perks, good life. We also want to get into it. Both of them went to the monk. Monk told, okay, you can have a review from the parrot.
So who was the third one? First was crow. Second was doe. Third was, who was the first one? Who was the first one? Second, third, parrot. Now all of them are reaching out to parrot. Parrot was asked, your life is like 24 karat gold. So nice of you. Your life is green and evergreen. Everyone treats you, manages you, gives good food and everything. I also want to become like you. What did the parrot reply? Can anyone guess? Yes? Yes? What's your good name? Shravan Kumar. Very nice. Anyone else? What could be the response of the parrot? Yes?
Like if you're talking about the pirate being managed, it could possibly say that I've always been given instructions by somebody or told what to do or not to do. You guys are free creatures. You're not controlled by somebody. So maybe that's one thing. He wants freedom.
He wants freedom. Wonderful. Good words, and it's right. And the parrot replied, तोता तोता जीवन में मेरा कुछ नहीं होता. ही वॉज अ पोपट, बोले मेरी लाइफ का पोपट हो गया है, सब कुछ चौपट हो गया है. आई हैव नो फ्रीडम एक्चुअली, आई एम ऑलवेज इन द केज. I was always in the cage, sometimes the steel one, sometimes even the golden one. I am treated fair from that side, but nothing is fair in my life because I am departed from my family, from my jungle, from my habitat. So it's not a good life. I also want a change. Now all the three want a change. Crow, doe, and parrot. The parrot was asked, then what do we want to become? They all decided to become a peacock, more. The more is the best one, most beautiful and national bird. We all three want to become national bird now. So all of three went to the monk, and monk responded similarly and told, just have a review. All of them went for a review to meet whom? To meet the peacock. Now what happened? Yes, the backbenchers, the last seated. Yes. What's your good name? Yes. Can you stand up? Yes. The last row, the end point. What's your good name? Yes. Now you are the monitor over here, and you will take care of all the backbenchers who are your friends. Is it okay? Wonderful. So can you bring all of them in the front row? We have kept a distinguished row for them. If you can bring your friends ahead, because it's time to move on, move ahead. Kindly stand up. All the backbenchers are smart and talented. Yes. Malaika ji, can you start? Can you initiate them? Yes, be fast, be fast. We have only 20 seconds. All of them, the complete row. Please, be fast, be accept. Congratulate them. Yes, all of them. All the backbenchers, yes. The last row ones. Malaika ji, can you ask them also? What's their good name? Yes, yes. Chakit ji, you can. Kindly stand up fast, be good, be swift for the shift. Very good, very good. You can come. And anyone in that row, if you see, you can also bring them. They're all the good ones. Please be fast. Be seated. Your front seats are waiting for you. Why are you being late? Everybody is eager. Wonderful. All of them can come in the front row. Be fast. Shift swiftly. The front row, front row. You are honored. Yes, yes. You can take the front row. Manish ji. हाँ इसमें आ गया. Yes, yes, be fast, be fast. You are given the distinguished position. A big applause for all of them. Wonderful. They are so obedient. You can see. भाई इधर भी आ सकता है, मना ही नहीं. Is it okay? Importantly, now the last one was the peacock, and peacock was asked, "Oh, what a good life, मोर भैया, इनकी लाइफ कितनी अच्छी है. हमें भी मोर चाहिए. So beautiful, so wonderful, so good dance of you in the rains. You are recognized as a national bird." What was the response of the peacock? Can anyone guess? Yes. Push. Very good. Yes. Did peacock like his life? No. Peacock told, I also want the change. More, but life है bore. I also want to seek the change. Because many of them come and take my feathers. मेरे पंखी निकाल देते हैं, मुझे मारते हैं, मुझे डीजे बजाते हैं, डांस कर. मैं परेशान हो गया हूँ मेरी लाइफ में. मुझे कभी म्यूजियम में डाल देते हैं, कभी एग्जीबिशन में रख देते हैं, कभी जबरदस्ती मेरे पंख निकाल देते हैं. मैं परेशान हूँ. माई ब्यूटी इज नाउ अ कर्स ऑन मी. तू बोले शिफ्ट चाहिए, चेंज चाहिए. बोले क्या बनना है? बोले आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम लाइक अ क्रो. Crow is neither beautiful, neither good at singing, but it is a free bird. At the end, the crow reached to the conclusion that be you. Whatever I am is the most wonderful one. It's always not the process of becoming, but let's start being instead of becoming. Most of us, maybe at a point of time, think that I want to become like him, like her, this way, that way. And we are following styles. So instead of being a trend follower, let's be a trend setter by believing in yourself, being yourself. Be you, be like yourself. Because be you is be beautiful. A very important thing to understand and explore. What likes I have, what understandings I have, make me a unique one. So we are all the unique ones. So if we can become ourselves, we are the complete self. So stop following and start being. So A for acceptance. So how many of you have found that their parents have congratulated them at any point of time when they were very small? They did a small task and they were congratulated. There was a pat. एक शाबाशी आपको मिली थी. कितने लोगों को अपने मम्मी पापा से शाबाशी मिली है? कभी ना कभी. यस. कितने लोग हैं जिनको दादा दादी से शाबाशी मिली कभी ना कभी? दादा दादी से. कितने लोग हो जिनको टीचर से मिली है कोई पॉइंट पर? और कितने लोग हैं जिनको फ्रेंड से शाबाशी मिली है कभी? और कितने लोग हैं जिन्होंने खुद को शाबाशी दी है कभी? आप खुद को शाबाशी देते हो? और आप क्या खुद को शाबाशी देते हैं कभी? वेरी गुड. दिस ब्रिंग्स द सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, सेल्फ एक्सेप्टेंस. सो एम्ब्रेस योरसेल्फ, लव योरसेल्फ, accept yourself to excel yourself. This will boost your self belief. Be an inspiration by admiring yourself, respecting yourself, respecting your own perspective. Don't just fight for others and fight with others. Fight for yourself with opening your insight. Don't be frightened to have your POV, your point of view, your perspective to the life. You can share your view. And importantly, if you start respecting yourself, everyone will start respecting you. If you have self-esteem, You will have esteem everywhere. So important is self pride, self confidence, and self clarity. And so here comes the letter B. B for believe yourself. So A for, today we are having only 4 letters, A, B, C, D. A for acceptance, B for belief, C for conscience. Conscience means reflect before you act. Many a times we step into something or step out of some boundaries, and then we have some realizations, late realizations. Oh, in this time, if I had could been silent, if I had not become angry, if I had not taken that step, it could be a better one. How many of you have felt late realizations at times? After doing something and you feel, oh, a guilt, a regret, oh, I could not have it done, then it could be a better one. कितने लोगों को ये रियलाइजेशन होता है गुस्सा करने के बाद कि गुस्सा नहीं करता तो अच्छा है? कितने लोगों ने फील किया? कितने लोगों ने अनकाम या बिटर बोलने के बाद फील किया बिटर नहीं बोलता तो बेटर होता? कितने लोग हैं जिन्हें बिटर बोलने के बाद, गुस्सा करने के बाद रियलाइजेशन नहीं होता, अच्छा है और गुस्सा करना चाहिए था? ऐसा कभी होता? होता? आप खड़े होकर बता सकते हैं, बहुत यूनिक पर्सपेक्टिव आपके पास. यस, शेयर इट. मनीष जी, गिव हिम a few words of wisdom. Yes, आप शेयर नहीं करना चाहते हो? If you care for everyone, you can share with everyone. Yes,
सबकी वही हालत है, आप बोल सकते हैं.
घबराइए मत. आप कुछ कह रहे थे, आपने ऐसे हाथ ऊपर किया था. Wonderful. So important, anyone has any view which can be different from me, different from anyone and everyone, then also they can stand up for themselves. Because it's important to be fearless, to face the world. So importantly, C for conscience. So whatever decisions you make, they should come from the heart as well as the head. Sometimes we take the decisions by emotion, but not by brain. Sometimes we work with the brain, but we don't carry with the emotion. But important is emotional intelligence, where we have a connect of the heart and the head together. And when that kind of decision we make, we can stay firm with it. And when you have that clarity and intentional purity, then you have the surety of the success. So instead of doing many things half-heartedly, do some things, few things, or even a one thing, but wholeheartedly, with full of you into it, and no one can stop you. Then you will become the unstoppable one. So important is conscience. Whatever decision you make, there is nothing like right and wrong in life at times. It's all about you, how you take it, how you see it, how you believe it. And the fourth is D for determination. Once you have accepted yourself, you believe in yourself, and with conscience you have taken a decision, then be determined with it. That determination will help you. You will never get terminated because you are determined. And you can determine your destiny. So importantly, do you want to be the designer of your destiny? Yes or no? You want to live a life of default or design? A life of chance or choice? You live by chance or by choice? So if you want to make the right choice, listen to your inner voice, stop the external noise, and make the right choice. And you will have always rejoice in your life. So importantly, this is A, B, C, D. A for with full of energy. A for B for C for D for A for. सभी लोग फुल एनर्जी के साथ जुड़ेंगे. A for B for C for D for D for determination. फुल एनर्जी का determination दिखाना. D for अब फुल एनर्जी के साथ ये थोड़ा क्विक टेस्ट है. कौन जाग रहा है और कौन सोया हुआ है और कौन खोया हुआ है। क्योंकि कई लोग सोए हुए तो मुझे कम दिखते हैं, तो खोए हुए कोई हो सकते हैं। तो कौन जाग रहा है और कौन खोया हुआ है, इट्स ए स्मॉल टेस्ट with an ABCD. A for B for C for D for B for A for B for A for C for. Wonderful. You're all very good at your consciousness and very much awakened and aware. A big applause for all of you. Do you think that you all together can do wonders? How many of you believe the power of unity? How many of you feel the power of unity? You can stand together and make anything possible together. So together we will see the spirit of combination comes here. So we can have your hands here in this position and we will all speak together. Yes, we can. We want to bring a change in the life of any and many. Join your hands in this way. All together. Yes, we can. With full of the energy. Yes, we can.
Yes, we can.
With the full of energy.
Yes, we can.
Importantly, to get elevated. This is an ABCD in your life. How many of you found this session relevant in their lives? How many of you were able to connect with it? Wonderful. How many of you believe in the power of meditation? How many of you do meditate? How many of you find meditation is difficult?
सच बोलना है, to meditate.
क्या आप मेडिटेशन करना चाहते हो? क्या आपने कभी मेडिटेशन किया है? क्या मेडिटेशन में कोई पावर है या नहीं है? तो क्या मेडिटेशन की पावर को जगाना है अंदर से? क्या आपने मैनिफेस्टेशन के बारे में सुना है? कितने लोगों ने मैनिफेस्टेशन किया है और कितने लोग मैनिफेस्टेशन करना चाहते हैं? तो हम कोमलता से आंखों को कोमलता से बंद करेंगे. कीप योर गैजेट्स डाउन. अपनी आंखों को कोमलता से बंद करेंगे. गर्दन और कमर सीधी, शरीर स्थिर, मन शांत. कोमलता से आंखों को बंद करते हुए लंबा गहरा श्वास लेंगे. You can have a space. You can have other seat also. Okay, good. With the eyes closed, close your eyes. Feel nice within. जो लोग पीछे बैठे हैं उन्हें अगर बात करनी हो तो वो आगे आके अच्छे से बात कर सकते हैं. आंखें कोमलता से बंद, गर्दन और कमर सीधी. Sit straight and erect. Take a deep breath in. Release it. Release all the stress with the release of the shwas. Deep breathe in and out. Again, take a deep breath in. Release it with an Om Dhvani. Om. पुनः लंबा गहरा श्वास लेंगे. धीरे धीरे रिलीज करेंगे सारे स्ट्रेस और टॉक्सिन्स को. अब अपने दोनों पैरों को रिलैक्स करें. डीपली रिलैक्स करें. सीधा बैठने का लक्ष्य. पूरी एकाग्रता. आंखें कोमलता से बंद. गर्दन और कमर को सीधी रखते हुए पूरा फोकस अपने भीतर करेंगे। फील योर लेग्स आर बीइंग डीपली रिलैक्स्ड। आपके दोनों पैर रिलैक्स हो रहे हैं। अपने दोनों पैरों को डीपली रिलैक्स कर दें, एकदम लाइट कर दें। फील करिए आपके दोनों पैर डीपली रिलैक्स हो रहे हैं। एकदम डीपली रिलैक्स करते हुए अपने मिड पोर्शन को, बेली, चेस्ट एंड द बैक, पूरी मिड बॉडी को रिलैक्स कर दें। डीपली रिलैक्स इट। अब अपने दोनों हाथों को रिलैक्स करेंगे। रिलीज ऑल द स्ट्रेस इन योर हैंड्स। केयरफुली sit straight. Feel the quietness within. फील करें आपके दोनों हाथ एकदम हल्के हो गए हैं। Now focus on your facial muscles in the head. Make your head light and delightful. Feel the delightness within. गर्दन और कमर सीधी रखते हुए शरीर स्थिर, मन शांत। With every deep breath, release all the stress from within. एकदम हल्का कर दे उसे और लाइट करें। फील करें योर बॉडी इज फुल्ली फ्री एंड लाइट लाइक अ फेदर। एकदम लाइट हो गई है, पूरा शरीर एकदम हल्का हो गया। फील योरसेल्फ मासलेस, weightless. Feel the weightlessness. You're able to fly in the open sky like a bird. Feel yourself lighter like a feather. You're able to fly in the open sky like a bird. Feel you are flying in the open sky, in the blue sky, far from the town, far from the pollution areas, in the free space where there are no foundations, no pollutions, no loads, no stress, free from all the responsibilities for the being, fully charged. Sit straight, feel the quietness within. Feel the power within. Feel the energy within. Feel yourself flying and flying in the open sky. See the green area around you. You're landing in a green area full of greens in the nature, near a fountain where this water is sprinkling, and the water is magical healing water, full of herbal properties, having healing properties. A single droplet of the fountain water can cleanse the deep wounds. Feel the sprinkling water over you. You are nearing it, and the droplets are falling on your head, on your body parts, and cleaning them deeply at the cellular level. Every cell is being cleansed and calm. Every cell is being cleansed and calm, being cleansed and calm. Feel the cleanse, the calmness, all the body heat, all the emotional turbulence is setting down, all the inner struggle and battle is now settling down. Feel the purity, feel the clarity, feel the peace within. Every single droplet is cooling you, calming you, and cleansing you. Given any pain point in the body, feel that droplet is relieving you. Believe in you and relieve you with every drop. Your physical stress is being released. All your emotional stress is being wiped out. Feel all the emotional wounds are being healed. Feel the healing. Start feeling the healing within you, the emotional healing. Any issues in any kind of relation, your parents or friends, your connections, all the conflicts are being resolved. All the dilemmas are being dissolved. Feel yourself lighter and lighter, brighter and brighter. With this lightness, feel this lightness stays with me throughout. Now join your hands together. Say with me, I am
I am
peaceful,
peaceful,
powerful,
powerful,
purposeful.
purposeful.
Once again, I am
I am
peaceful,
peaceful,
powerful,
powerful,
purposeful.
purposeful.
With full of the energy, I am
I am
peaceful,
peaceful,
powerful,
powerful,
purposeful.
purposeful.
Feel your near ones and dear ones together, your close ones, your relatives with you. All are being peaceful, powerful, purposeful. Stay with me, say with me. We are peaceful,
Peaceful,
powerful,
powerful,
purposeful.
purposeful.
We are
We are
peaceful,
peaceful,
powerful,
powerful,
purposeful.
purposeful.
Once again, all together. We are peaceful,
Peaceful,
powerful,
powerful,
purposeful.
purposeful.
I am elevating every day
Every day,
in every way. I am elevating every day in every way. I am elevating every day in every way. With this, join your hands, rub with among each other, take near your eyes, and softly open your eyes with a refreshing smile, a cheerful smile. Oh, how many of you feel refreshed? Wonderful. This is a meditation we had today. Can you spare 3 minutes of your day for yourself? Yes or no? Yes or no? Now we are going to have a PIMR pledge. PIMR means it's not Prestige Institute of Management, but importantly here we mean P for personalized, I for intense, M for meaningful, R for resolution. Personalized, intense, meaningful resolution to smile and elevate every day. How many of you can take this elevating pledge for yourself to elevate yourself from wherever you stand to take an upgrade every day in your life? How many of you wish to elevate every day? From wherever you are, just elevating a step ahead. So with this, we can start with a smile. What do you do when you wake up? As you wake up, start with a smile. Open your eyes with a cheerful smile, and you will feel the whole day full of smiles, full of positivity. So let's have a positive start every day, and we will take a pledge to stay drug free forever. How many of you feel that drugs are good for life? Narcotic drugs are good or not? How many of you have consumed drugs sometime? Once? And how many of you are addicted to it? How many of you wish to stay drug free forever? How many of you feel taking drugs occasionally is good? How many of you have a thinking that drinking is good? And how many of you feel smoking is nice? How many of you can be addiction free and take a pledge today that I will stay addiction free forever? Wonderful. A big applause for all of them. Now we will stand. Join your hands together. I pledge to stay drug free forever. I pledge to stay drug free forever. I am proud to be drug free. Join your hands in this position. Take your hands in this posture and say, I am proud to be drug free. With the full energy, I am proud. Be loud. I am proud to be drug free. I am proud to be drug free. I pledge to stay drug free forever. And I will promote and support others to stay drug free, to stay addiction free forever. Thanks for all your endeavor. Now we just want to listen from two of you.
Just about, we wanted to conclude before that, we wanted some reviews from you. If I would request anybody from students community, anybody from this side or this side, anybody whoever can come on the front side and share our reviews on the two topics. किसी को भी अच्छा लग रहा है तो कुछ भी आप review या
Whom of you enjoyed the session today?
आप कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना हो तो भी पूछ सकते हो.
आप में से किस किस को इस सेशन में आनंद आया?
You had the courage to interact. That's very welcome. And please, I ask, motivate others.
जल्दी fast.
So, sir, first of all, I have a question that when we talk about meditation, we all know how life-changing it can be, and we've seen it for other people. But right now, when we all were doing it together, there was some music being played, and you were giving us instructions on what to do.
Right.
So it felt easier to do it. But whenever we try to do it, like the others were also told us about ADHD and how we lack focus. So I feel whenever we are at it, my mind is constantly somewhere else. Like even if I'm doing something spiritual, even if I'm going to the Holy Scriptures, I'm still thinking about other things. So how to stop that and be in the moment and meditate throughout?
Wonderful. So for that, we have some guided meditations for you. You can take a spirit, and we will share your connect for that. And you can also scan over here. There's a scan code, or you can just type "elevate experience the real high," and you will get some links on that. Through that meditation tools, you can have that guided meditation. Point two, you can start journaling, and that will also release all the stress and toxins, which will help you to move a bit better. And you can just share your reviews for today's session, how you like today and what you learned.
I request the children to please be seated for last 5 minutes. Just last 5 minutes.
Yes, can you start please fast?
So these were most of the things that we know, but we forget about it. So it was good to be remembered about these things, and now we know how to act upon it better. How to take the PMI into use, how to use the meal procedures by avoiding meals for sleep, driving, having our meals together. So it would encourage a better lifestyle for all of us, and will also promote better relations with the people around us when we're in the moment. So it was a very enlightening session for all of us, I believe, and we would enjoy more of these sessions with you.
Wonderful. A big applause for her.
Thank you so much for
And,
such
and you can hand over this mic to one of the students here. You can take that mic and encourage someone else. Yes.
Yes, किसी को भी बोलना हो दिल से बोलें.
And the front benchers have taken the distinguished positions. The last one.
I hope you had a wonderful meditation session. What are your feelings? Please,
Be fast.
be fast. Just think. What you felt?
Again,
What you felt like? बोलिए ना. It's our session only.
yes.
So I was sitting at the back bench and I wasn't paying attention to be honest at first. But then when you called us to the front seat, I thought I should have paid more attention there. I felt when I sat here, and I felt this was really an enlightening session. And yeah, that's it.
What's your good name?
Rohan.
So, would you like to enjoy more sessions and engage with them in future?
Sure.
Wonderful. Give a big hand to her. For the power of acceptance. She was not questioned at what she felt there, but she accepted from within. So it's meaningful that she has elevated. And in the second row, yes. Anyone else?
Sir, I like to
Yes.
tell the students, a lot of controversy goes on how to succeed with least effort. You want to work for 70 hours a day, 90 hours a day and all that. Okay. Many of us, sir, with your permission, I would say that we don't want you to work 90 hours either for the family or for the organization. We want you to set aside 9 minutes for yourself. Only 9 minutes to start with. And someone correctly said, sir, mind either way jata jane do. You can start thinking the best of the thing and worst of the thing. One day you will stop thinking that. Start thinking only death. Let me tell you, for 5 days, 6th day you will think about birth. You will think about life. You will think about animals. You will think about plants. So don't think the mind cannot be controlled. Let mind go to the extreme of its nonsense. But then you will come back. विपरीत विचार तो आता ही है. ये सर ने सही बोला, channelize कर सकते. You can channelize your thinking. Think of the people who helped you grow in your life. Think of those to whom you have helped at some point of time. Think of the best of the time of yourself. I am telling you, in IIT Kharagpur, sir, thousands of students were wired to the BP machines and ECC machines, and we were told to meditate for half an hour. Only thinking about people who helped you grow in life, starting from your childhood. So it was someone who made me play well, someone who made me laugh well, some my NCC teacher, some mathematics teacher, some Dajima, somebody went on for 1 hour, and I'm telling you, the ECG stabilization was recorded for 1,000 students. Vis-a-vis, start thinking all those things. Think of everybody who harmed you, okay? Think of all bad things for people. And ECG was again recorded. It showed a different scale. So what I am trying to tell you, your health is not in somebody's hand. Don't outsource your health. And physical health apart, mental health is also important, and it is well in your own hands, let me tell you. You cannot just grow old in the chaos of the digital taxonomy. You've got to go beyond. So all the very best. Thanks for the Guruji. You have been encouraging.
Thank you so much.
I, Shikha Kamra, will take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to Prestige Institute of Management and Research and to our esteemed guests for gracing us with your presence and inspiring us. To all of our wonderful attendees, your enthusiasm and support have truly made this event special. Can I have a big round of applause for Dr. Abhijit Pandey and for yourself too. Thank you so much. I would love
Yes or no? So do you know that we don't have any money, wallets, credit cards, vehicles, gadgets, nothing. We have also no ties with the worldly relations now, so we don't have any relationships. Even mother, father, we don't stay with them. We are embarking on a spiritual journey. Me myself from 21 years, and now we are starting. I have walked more than 15,000 kilometers, and now we are. Do you know about it? So this is the program that Mr. Katotia is showing you.
As you are seeing, आप सब देख रहे हैं ये मिशन पीस. तो हमारे जो साधु महाराज है, हमारे गुरु श्री, इनके जो हेड है हमारे आचार्य श्री महाश्रमण जी, उनको हम लोग शांति दूत बोलते हैं. He has walked more than 50,000 kilometers on foot. So Jaingaon के, लेकिन here he has come to spread Anu Vrat. Basically that is nothing connected with Jainism. It is for the society at large. मुनि श्री का जो मैं बताना चाह रहा हूँ, ये देख रहे हैं आप मिशन पीस. मुनि श्री अभी इंदौर में है. आप इंदौर के ही संत हैं, इंदौर की पुत्र हैं. आप इस मिशन को कैरी फॉरवर्ड कर रहे हैं. आप एक हफ्ते बाद यहाँ से दिल्ली की तरफ बिहार करेंगे ऑन फुट. 11,000 किलोमीटर मुनि श्री ने बताया. तो आप दिल्ली की तरफ बिहार करेंगे और अगले साल मुनि श्री 25 देशों की यात्रा में ऑन फुट यूरोप तक, ब्रसेल्स, बेल्जियम तक जा रहे हैं. तो और इस उद्देश्य के लिए लेके जा रहे हैं. उनके सामने एक ब्रोशर है मिशन पीस, जो कि गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया भी इसको पूरा सपोर्ट करेगी. तो एक बहुत बड़ा मिशन लेके जा रहे हैं. आप लोगों सबको बताना एक जरूरी था कि ऐसे संत हमारे बीच आए हैं. तो हमारे लिए बहुत कृतज्ञता का भाव है इंस्टीट्यूट से, इंदौर के लिए, सबके लिए, ऐसे अपने मिशन की एम्बार्किंग ऑन दिस मिशन. तो 25,000 किलोमीटर चलेंगे. आप सोच भी नहीं पाएंगे. आप सोचते रह जाएंगे कि कहाँ से जाएंगे, कौन सा ट्रैवल रूट रहेगा, कैसे कंडीशंस रहेंगे, कोल्ड क्लाइमेट, हॉट क्लाइमेट, एक्सट्रीम मिडिल ईस्ट रहेगा एंड एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड ऑफ दिस यूरोप का. तो सारी चीजों को सब दरकिनार करते हुए अपने मिशन के लिए मुझे बहुत ही जल्द यहाँ से बिहार करने वाले हैं. लेट अस ऑल विश हिम अ ग्रेट सक्सेस फॉर दिस मिशन.
Miles spreading smiles. This is the
Walking
tagline of
miles,
this mission.
spreading smiles. Walking miles and spreading smiles. This is the motto behind this mission.
हमारा फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट का एक गुजारिश है, अभी टूर में जाना करके अभी स्टार्ट कर देते. ठीक है? And that is your internship, that is your marks, that is your internal, and that is your exam as well. Okay? Please volunteer for it. Okay?
Thank you so much. Thank you, students. Thank you so much.